DeFi in 2026 is not just alive, it's rewriting the rules of finance. Billions of dollars move on-chain every day, and just 3 protocols are dominating the game. Stick around, because I'm breaking down the top DeFi platforms where the smart money is already positioning, and you don't want to be left behind. Welcome back to Next Gen Crypto, where we cut through the hype and give you actionable insights. Today, you'll see which protocols are leading DeFi in 2026 and why they matter for investors. First, Aave. Aave isn't just a lending platform, it's the backbone of decentralized credit. In 2026, it's the go-to for institutional money, moving billions in liquidity across multiple blockchains. Flash loans, lending, borrowing. Aave makes complex strategies simple and programmable on-chain. If you want exposure to professional-grade DeFi infrastructure, Aave is where serious capital flows. Next, the staking king Lido. Lido, dominant liquid staking protocol for Ethereum. Here's the alpha: you stake ETH but still get STTH, a liquid token you can use across DeFi to earn extra yield. That's double duty on your capital. In 2026, Lido isn't just staking, it's a cornerstone of Ethereum's POS economy. Stick around, because I'll show you how Lido integrates with other DeFi platforms to maximize returns. Finally, EigenLayer. The protocol changing the rules of yield. Restaking lets you use already staked ETH to secure additional networks, creating multiple income streams from a single asset. It's complex. It carries risk. But for alpha hunters, this is a game changer, a glimpse into next-generation DeFi infrastructure. DeFi offers high rewards, but it's high risk. Smart contract bugs, liquidations, and volatility are real. Only invest what you can afford to lose. If this helped you understand where the alpha is in DeFi, hit like and subscribe to nextgencrypto.ai. In the next video, I'll reveal the fastest growing DeFi tokens of 2026, the ones most retail investors haven't noticed yet. Comment below, which of these 3 protocols would you invest in this year?